Seafood and spring onions are added to a batter and it's then cooked to make these delicious seafood pancakes served with a stunning dipping sauce. Welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Ahmed. As you know, I love Korean food, and today we're going to be making a Korean seafood pancake. These are crispy pancakes and they are packed with seafood. It is absolutely delicious. Before I go any further with this recipe, to make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. I'm going to start with the seafood. I have approximately 2 cups here, and you can use any combination that you like. I'm using shrimp, scallops, and cuttlefish. I'm going to cut most of these into smaller pieces, and I like to leave some larger chunks so I can place them on top of the pancake later, but this is totally up to you. To marinate this, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of crushed pepper, 1 tablespoon of Gochugaru or red pepper flakes. These are Korean red pepper flakes. You can use a Chinese version if you can find the Korean one. Mix this together and keep it aside. Now for the spring onions. I'm going to cut the roots off, and using this nifty tool, you can just strip these down in seconds. I will leave a link to this tool in the description. If you're making a larger size pancake, you can leave these longer. But if I'm making mini pancakes, I like to make them smaller. This is how you make the most amazing Asian dipping sauce. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1 tablespoon of Gochujara. These are Korean red pepper flakes. You can also use Chinese red pepper flakes. Give this a mix, and next I'm going to add 1/4 cup of spring onions and a few sliced red chilies. This is going to make an amazing dipping sauce for any Asian appetizer that you serve. Now for the batter. I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour here, and I will be adding 1 cup of potato starch. You can find potato starch in most Asian stores. If you can't find it, you can substitute cornstarch, tapioca, or even rice flour. Add water a little bit at a time, stirring vigorously to remove any lump. I've used about 2 cups of water in total to get a nice runny batter. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 egg to the batter, and whisk it. Now for some flavor. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon of Gochujara. And I'm just going to mix this. I've separated the seafood that I will add to the batter, and I've reserved some for the topping. This is totally optional. Add the chopped seafood in, and 2 tablespoons of sliced red chilies. I'm also going to add 1 cup of julienne of spring onions. To make a larger size pancake, I'm going to heat some oil, and I'm just going to spoon in the batter in a thin layer. To garnish the top, I'll be adding some sliced red chilies as well as green onions and some of the reserved seafood. Just to note that the shrimp that I'm using, I have sliced horizontally in half so it's not too heavy. It also has to be set well into the pancake batter, or it can tend to fall off when you flip. I prefer to do smaller mini pancakes. Just spoon in the batter. Garnish. And flip. Big or small, these are amazing served hot with the delicious dipping sauce. Enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for Korean seafood pancake. This recipe is really easy. You can make little ones as an appetizer or you can make a larger one as a main. If you love my videos, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and don't forget to share them with your family and friends. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure that you have and that you've rung the bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy eating.